Alrighty guys, welcome back. Today I have another seasonal item, Sour Patch Kids guys, 4th of July. Red, white, and blue thumbnail. So here's guys, the box says patriotic because 4th of July is coming up almost. Not, well, May, June, July, 3 months still, but here it is. Sour Patch Kids, red, white, and blue. The red is the red berry, the blue one is blueberry, and the white one, I don't know what that is. If they brought it with flavor back, I'm not sure. Further ado, let's go to muffins. I told you I review seasonal stuff, guys. Okay. I'm just doing the white one. It's probably pineapple, I'm guessing. I don't know if it's a new flavor or not. Take a second. Oh, berry. No, that one. Blue. Very good. So, the new flavor, I guess? I don't know. Reminds me of the... It is lemon, I think. Anyway, pretty good. That is it, Dollar General, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share, has more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope y'all enjoyed.